Alright, you guys, so let's all say hi to Rain. Now, as you guys can see, Rain's hair is super dry and brittle on the ends. So I thought this line would be extremely great to try on her hair just to see if we can get any type of moisture and hydration going on here. So we're going to prep the hair, rinse it so we can get ready to shampoo with the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Plus Repair shampoo. Now, you guys, this shampoo, everything about it basically screams luxurious. It's creamy, thick. Everything about it is just great. So we're going to shampoo Rain's hair. I'm using this little scalp brush that they sent, scalp massager or whatever you're going to call it. And I used that, but then I also went back to my hands because nothing like the hands. We're going to shampoo Rain's hair and just work that into a lather. Rain was definitely enjoying this process. And then we're going to rinse the shampoo out. Rinse, rinse, rinse. So how many of you guys have grew up and your mom has washed your hair in the sink? Can we say me or yay? So we're going to follow up with the Hydrate and Repair conditioner. Now, this conditioner is super thick. So I just work that in, starting from the ends to the roots. Because, like I said, Rain hair is super dry and brittle. Mainly on the ends. Her ends tend to be a little bit more dry and brittle than the rest of her hair. So I try to work more towards the ends and then work my way up. Alright, so here we're rinsing out that conditioner and getting ready for the next step. And as you can see, just by doing the shampoo and conditioner, it pretty much made a big improvement to her hair. So now we're going in with the Hydrate Plus Repair Protein Power Treatment. Now, this stuff is super thick, you guys. As you can see, I can literally hold it over and nothing comes out. So, this is a great deep conditioner. And it has great slip as well. So, I'm just working this deep conditioner in, this power treatment, as well as finger detangling her hair. We're just going to work this in the hair, and like I said, I focus it a lot on the ends. And then we're going to just twirl it up, twist it up, and twist her hair up. And then I'm going to put a plastic cap on her hair because I don't want her to sit under the dryer or anything. So I just kind of put the plastic cap on and let the heat penetrate in her head. So this was afterwards, and as you can see how it looks. Next, we're going to go in with this Hydrate Plus Repair Split End Balm. And it says it's supposed to give your ends like a fresh cut look. So the texture of it feels like a beeswax sort of type of thing. So what I did was apply this onto her ends, and just the ends only because it is kind of waxy and greasy. So you don't want to put this all over your head. You just want to focus it on the ends of your hair.
I can see it now. Why is that thing so soapy?
Alright, so enough of Rain's shenanigans. So now, as you see right here, I'm just applying their multi-action leave-in conditioner. And I freaking love this conditioner. mainly because it's a spray form. But not only that it's in a spray form, but it works amazingly great as like a detangler. So time you like spray it in your hair, it basically gets your hair very moisturized, and you just detangle the hair, and it's super great. It has really great slip. So yeah, this is basically what I'm doing to her hair. I'm just finger detangling, spraying it in, and using a diamond brush to kind of like define the curls a little bit more. And I love it. It works super great, and it's probably like my favorite thing out of the whole collection. So as you can see, I finished, and this is how Rain's curls are popping and looking while she's giving you all type of peace signs. Silly girl. So yeah, this is how it looks. And now this is the dry form. I'm just going to tame these edges a little bit before you send it wet. And the shrinkage is real, you guys, on Rain's hair, because her hair is super long, but when the product gets in, it shrinks like I don't know what. But as you can see, her curls look very defined, very moisturized, super moisturized at that, and it's great. So if you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, we will see you guys later. Thanks for watching.
I love you, Shea Moisture. I love Shea Moisture. It's moisturized my hair. I love Shea Moisture every time, and I don't care about it. I love Shea Moisture and my whole entire world. But I want to show you the inside. It's very cool. I love Shea Moisture and my whole entire world. Yeah. Bye, guys.